Good morning everyone. Today we will do reading of A sound words from English workbook, page number 50. So let's start. A sound words. Sound of A is A. Sound of A is A. First picture is of a pen. P A N, pen. Sound of P is P. Sound of A is A. Sound of N is N. P A N, pen. P A N, pen. Next picture is of a man. M A N, man. Sound of M is M. M A N, man. Next picture is of a fan. F A N, fan. Sound of F is F. F A N, fan. Next picture is of a van, and sound of V is V. V A N, van. V A N, van. Next, H A T, hat. Sound of H is H. H A T, hat. Next picture is of a cat. C A T, cat. Sound of C is K. K A T, cat. Next picture is of a bat. B A T, bat. Sound of B is B. B A T, bat. Next picture is of a rat. R A T, rat. Sound of R is R. R A T, rat. Next picture is of jam. J A M, jam. Sound of J is J. Sound of J is J. J A M, jam. J A M, jam. Next picture is of a mat. M A T, mat. Sound of M is M. M A T, mat. Next picture is of a tap. T A P, tap. Sound of T is T. T A P, tap. Next picture is of a tag. T A G, tag. Sound of T is T. T A G, tag. Next picture is of a bag. B A G, bag. Sound of B is B and sound of G is G. B, A, G, bag. Next picture is of a lead. L, A, D, lead. Sound of L is L and sound of D is D. L, A, D, lead. Next picture is of a map. M, A, P, map. M, A, P, map. M, A, P, map. Next picture is of a cap. C, A, P, cap. Sound of C is K. K, A, P, cap. Once again, we will revise it. P, A, N, pen. M, A, N, man. F, A, N, fan. V, A, N, van. H, A, T, hat. H, A, T, hat. C, A, T, cat. B, A, T, bat. R, A, T, rat. J, A, M, jam. M, A, T, mat. T, A, P, tap. T, A, G, tag. B, A, G, bag. L, A, D, lead. M, A, P, map. C, A, P, cap. So dear children, you have to do this reading like this way. Thank you.